Shut up, man. Slow ass driver.
Ladies and gentlemen, hope you guys are doing well. I'm over here doing a voiceover because during the time I was filming this video, I forgot to turn the microphone on. But anyways, happy to be alive. Here we go. I'm going to show you guys a very short video of my post-track day brake dust. As you can see, it is a little bit extreme. I did let the wheels sit for about a couple days and I wanted to go ahead and clean these wheels off because I just could not stand it anymore. So anyways, we're not going to use any type of agitation. We're just going to use the power of the pressure washer. Hopefully that will take all of this massive brake dust off. So in case you guys are wondering, I am using G-Technic Crystal Serum Light topped with 2 coats of EXO. Link is in the description below if you're interested in this ceramic coating. This is not their specialized wheel coating, but the same wheel coating that you would use on your paint. So we're going to get you a better look at how dirty the wheels actually are. Now these were at a track day 2 days before we ran at our local racetrack, which is called a Ridge, and we did 5 20-minute sessions. So if in case you guys are wondering, these are the OEM brake pads that came with the car from the factory. And as you can see, they are absolutely filthy. In addition, the neon yellow calipers were also coated with G-Technic Crystal Serum Light and EXO. And hopefully we can get all the brake dust off of those calipers because I really love the look, feel, and finish of the OEM calipers on the 2018 Up STIs. So I'm just gonna go around and turn my pressure washer on. By the way, I'm using a Greenworks pressure washer that I got for about $100 from Lowe's, in case you guys are wondering. So in that case, without further ado, let's start spraying off the wheels, and hopefully this brake dust comes off with just the pressure of the pressure washer. No agitation, no wheel cleaners, no nothing. And there you go. And as you can see, the brake dust is just falling right off with just the pressure of the pressure washer. I don't know about you, but seeing this brake dust just magically fall off in a matter of seconds is just oddly satisfying. So there you go, just a quick video for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This was supposed to be posted yesterday for my 2-minute Tuesday video, and here I am just going to get you guys a little close-up of the wheels itself. Now these are about 80% clean. It's not 100% clean. It's going to need a little bit agitation to get fully clean, but from 5 feet away they look absolutely fantastic. There you go, short video for you guys today. This was supposed to be a 2-minute Tuesday video, but unfortunately I had things going on and I couldn't edit this video in time. So once again, more things that come on the channel. Thank you guys for the support. I really do appreciate it. Merch drop is coming soon. But anyways, hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff, everything all the YouTubers say, and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.